Few sights in nature are as awe-inspiring as a bull elk standing proud in the heart of its domain. Antlers like a crown of bone rise above its head, a testament to strength and vitality. These magnificent creatures, often called wapiti, command attention wherever they roam. North America is fortunate to be home to these gentle giants. From the mountain meadows to the forest's edge, elk embody the wild spirit of the continent. Elk are creatures of presence. Their movements are deliberate, their gaze steady and aware. There is a quiet power in their bearing, a sense of belonging to the landscape they inhabit. To witness elk moving across their territory is to glimpse a world untouched by human hands. It is a reminder of the wildness that still exists within our world. Elk are remarkably adaptable creatures, making their homes in a variety of habitats. They favor areas where forests meet open grasslands, providing both cover and ample grazing opportunities. Across the American West and parts of Canada, elk thrive in national parks and wildlife refuges. Yellowstone National Park is particularly famous for its healthy elk population. These landscapes offer everything an elk needs to survive. Dense forests provide shelter from predators and harsh weather. Open meadows and grasslands offer an abundance of grasses, forbs, and other vegetation essential to their diet. The proximity of rivers and streams ensures a constant source of fresh water. This combination of resources creates an ideal environment for elk to thrive. Elk are highly social animals, living in herds that can range in size from a few dozen to several hundred individuals. These herds are typically led by a matriarch, an experienced female who guides the group's movements and decisions. The matriarch's knowledge of the terrain, food sources, and potential dangers is crucial to the herd's survival. Within the herd, a clear social hierarchy exists. Dominant females and their offspring occupy the higher ranks, while younger or less experienced individuals fall lower in the pecking order. This social structure helps maintain order within the group, reducing conflict and promoting cooperation. During the rut or breeding season, bulls compete fiercely for dominance, their antlers clashing in dramatic displays of strength. Section 4. Grazers of the grasslands. As herbivores, elk play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their diet consists primarily of grasses, sedges, forbs, and woody shrubs. They are opportunistic feeders, adapting their diet to the seasonal availability of vegetation. During spring and summer, when fresh growth is abundant, elk graze on lush grasses and forbs. In autumn, they turn their attention to acorns, berries, and other fruits. Winter finds them relying on woody browse, stripping bark from trees and shrubs to access the nutrient-rich layer beneath. This feeding behavior has a significant impact on the landscape, influencing plant diversity and shaping the structure of forests and meadows. Section 5. A life of seasons. The life of an elk is intimately tied to the rhythm of the seasons. Spring brings the arrival of calves, born after a gestation period of around 8 months. These wobbly-legged youngsters are the center of attention within the herd, fiercely protected by their mothers and other females. As summer progresses, the calves grow rapidly, their coats shedding their spots as they gain strength and independence. Autumn ushers in the rut, a time of intense competition among bulls. Their bugling calls echo across the mountains, a haunting and primal sound that signals the start of the breeding season. Winter brings its own set of challenges as elk contend with snow, cold temperatures, and limited food availability. Survival during these harsh months is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Section 6. Living alongside giants. For centuries, humans and elk have shared the North American landscape. Indigenous peoples have long held a deep respect for these animals, recognizing their importance both as a source of sustenance and as a symbol of the natural world. However, European colonization brought significant changes to elk populations. Overhunting and habitat loss led to a sharp decline in their numbers, pushing them to the brink of extinction in some areas. Fortunately, conservation efforts in the 20th century helped elk populations rebound. Today, they are a conservation success story, with healthy populations in many parts of their former range. However, challenges remain. Habitat fragmentation, disease, and human-wildlife conflict continue to pose threats. It is our responsibility to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. By understanding their needs and respecting their place in the web of life, we can help ensure that the wild spirit of the elk endures. Help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video.